Ocean View by Mary Molique, illustrated by Travis Schaefer. I see the ocean. The ocean is full of many things. I see the water. I see water with waves. I see fish. I see fish with many colors. I see a jellyfish. I see a jellyfish with tentacles. I see a shark. I see a shark with teeth. I see a whale. I see a whale with a tail. I see a lobster. I see a lobster with claws. I see a crab. I see a crab with legs. I see a sea turtle. I see a sea turtle with a shell. I see a coral. I see a coral in the Great Barrier Reef. I see the ocean. The ocean is full of many things. The end.